What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So just wanted to give you an update on my induction kit. So that hasn't arrived yet. That was placed on the 30th of December. I'm still waiting for it, but what can you do? It happens, right? So today's video I'm going to be debadging the car. So I'm going to take off the Scirocco sign, I'm going to take off the 2-litre TSR on the back, I'm going to get that removed. But first of all, I'm going to go down to TPSmart repair. If you guys have seen my videos before, I went down there to do my front splitter. I saw a lovely guy there named by the name of Tom, and he allowed me to use his ramp and everything, and he guided me and is just really helpful. So I'm going down there again today to lend a heat gun so I can get the badge off. And on top of that, so I'm going to go do that quick, and then I've got someone coming around to detail the car, just to give it a good wash. So yeah, he goes by the name of DWDetailing. He's on Instagram. I'll link it in the bottom of this video. And then yeah, see what it looks like without the badges. I think it's going to look so much better. I really do. And at the same time, while I'm down at TP, I'm going to go get my I've gone with the Miltech catback exhaust. I was going to have no res on it, so at least it stays the same as what I've got on here at the moment, but it's standard exhaust with no res. So now we're going Miltech with no res, and then after that I've got to get the sports cat. So yeah, get the sports cat done for that, and that's going to be Miltech 2. And then obviously with that you have to do a stage 2 remap. So I'm going to do a stage 2, but you do need an intercooler, so I've got to get a forged intercooler. So a bit of money to spend, but at the same time I've got to do it. I really want to get some performance out of this car, and yeah, I'm just getting over putting on little bits. It's time to really put in some performance and see what you can get out of the GT Scirocco, really, 2-litre TSR Scirocco. Yeah, that's it guys, so let's get going. So thank you for coming back to the channel, and if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave your comments below what your thoughts are, and yeah, let's get going. Let's not waste time. Cheers.
I guess fears are coming outside. We got a billion breezes, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe, and when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe, and when you need to escape from 1,000 fires. I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Jungle of love. Listen to my conditions, I got you on my mind. You were stuck in my head and I don't know why. We got a billion reasons.
So guys, all you're gonna need is fishing line, just any tackle fishing line, a drill, which I just bought off Amazon for £30, cordless drill, and this little rubber thing. So I don't know the name of this rubber thing, but what it does is, as you saw in the video, you just spin it on the side of the car, give it a bit of pressure, and it pulls all that back off on the back of the badges, and it works really well as a charm. And that's it, guys. It's really simple, easy. Saw the video. That's it. Before I get the car washed, I'm going to show you what it looks like before first, just so you guys have a look and then you know what it looks like. So I've taken the badges off, as you guys have seen. See, it's really dirty everywhere. Just not clean at all. Yeah, so this is going to be so much better when it's done, I'm sure of it. So guys, yeah, once the job's done, hit up DWDetailing. I'll put the link in the description, obviously. You guys can have a look and you can get your cars clean. But yeah, you can see it's filthy. This car's really dirty. It needs some love. Just showing the inside. Yeah, it's just dirt, man. Really not clean. What's up, guys? So car's all done now. Let me just show you what it looks like, and I think it just looks absolutely amazing. So big shout out to Devin from DWDetailing, link in description below. But just buzzing, man. Just the car looks beautiful. I'm totally happy with it. Yeah, let's have a look. Let me show you. Look at that shine, man. It just looks good. Just beautiful, man. Sorry, it is a bit late in the evening, so. And that's the D badge. I think it looks good. Let me know what you think, but I think the D badge just looks so much better. Really stands out. Big shout out, man. And of course, good vibes only. Oh, just pops, man. Really happy. And that's a wrap, guys. So thank you for watching my video yet again. Stay tuned for the next one. Big shout out again to everyone. The taking off the badges was so easy. It wasn't hard at all. As you can see, it was quick. So the next videos come up is we're going to get the Miltech catback exhaust. So I'm going to get that put on without the res. So I don't want a res on it because this car at the moment doesn't have res, so I don't want it on the car. And then we'll go into the next mod. So guys, thanks again for tuning in and watching the video. And yet again, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I just love seeing the subscribers go up, obviously, because it just shows that people are enjoying my videos and actually watching my videos. So anything Scirocco related, this is the channel to be on. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
I don't need to tell you that it's over.